So I just want to highlight the course reader, which we have as part of ocTEL. The course reader is designed really to aggregate and let you browse some of the activity going on outside of the course site. So we have a number of discussion spaces within the ocTEL site, like forums and groups. What this is doing is focusing on some of the course activity going on outside of the platform. So what it does is pull in posts from lots of different places and basically gives you a way to surf and browse those. So within each of the items that we pull in, you can click on it to read more information about it. The items that you've read are marked with white on the background. We've also got tools for favoriting, which I'll show you in a second. So this is pulling in everything. So this has got currently 273 items, largely helped by Twitter. We've got 188 tweets pulled in, but we can actually filter down. And so if, for example, we were just looking for blog posts related to the course, we can click on this and it will just give us back that slice of information. So again, let's pick one of these posts. This is one I've written. Something else we have at the bottom is we've got the social network count. So this is the number of times this story has been tweeted or shared on LinkedIn or Google Plus or Facebook. If it's something you'd like to share as well into your own networks, then these are buttons that you can click on, and they basically pull up a dialog where you can send your tweet or whatever. The other thing I mentioned was the starring. So when you favorite something, this is recorded in your profile. So it's a handy way if you want to just note posts that you think are worth keeping or reflecting on later, or something you spotted quickly that you want to read later. So I've just clicked into my profile, and within the favorites button here, if we just wait for the site to catch up, and we can see it's recorded there. So just to say how all these items come in, for the blogs, it's up to you to register your blog for us, and so then we can go off and collect new posts. So the way you do this is within your profile. On the first page of that, if we click on edit, there's a box a little way down. So this is asking for your blog. So I've already filled in the blog name, and then if you click on that button, it'll go and search for a data feed that we can use. After that, all you need to do is include the word ocTEL in the title or the body of the post, and then we use that as a way to filter it in, and it will appear in the reader. As well as going into the reader, it will also get pushed out to the daily newsletter as well. So it's the benefit for you for registering your blog is that we can push out the content as well. And there's a note on the top of the reader to help you set that up. The last thing is, if you don't want to read all this content within the site, and you like using RSS feeds, we've got RSS feeds coming out of the reader as well. So if you want to tune in to the blog posts that we're collecting, but you don't want to use the reader to do it, you can filter in on the blog posts, and then you've got a feed here that you can subscribe to. So there you go, quite a bit to play with. Hopefully you find it useful.